And good morning, it's Tuesday, and that means it's time for our Tuesday testimonial. Now, a lot of times people get older, and yeah, that would be me. People get older and then they start seeing that they've got age-related issues. Well, one thing that is age-related is herniated discs. That can be because we've pulled something when we shouldn't have. That can just be age-related. That can be weight-related. That can be a lot of different things. But we have a formula, and the formula says, and I just looked at the documentation, that it repairs herniated discs. And so we had recommended a lady to take this formula, and I told her it could be 6 to 9 months before you're going to really notice a vast improvement. Because why? You didn't get herniated discs overnight. And so she's been taking the formula about 2.5 months, and she noticed in the past couple of weeks when it's been so wet and rainy around here, she's noticed that her back has not been giving her the problem that it's been giving her in the past, and she has much more flexibility and freedom of movement. And this is why I love my job.